Good afternoon, traders. This is Ben with Vessel Future Trading, giving you a market coverage of the day. Before we're going to start to talk on the micro Bitcoin, we need to first over-review the ES future contract we spoke about yesterday. As we can see, we ended a position right here where the market was rechecking again the high value of the day and made a flip. Whoever entered this position probably was very successful until this morning. See, we can stretch it over here. Whoever is the swing trader maybe risk $500 in order to make $4,500, which is very healthy trade. I wish you guys took this trade. Of course, if you did, congratulations. This is a very fair trade. Just as a reminder, we had a minor supply area over here, which was very close to the major supply area. And as we said, when the minor area is close to the major, the price will always try to hit and break it. And as we see over here, it actually did, which will make it a very healthy trend. Now we can see how the graph behaves, how the price behaves when you're reaching the major demand area is completely dropping down. Works perfectly. Let's talk about the micro Bitcoin today. So as always, we're gonna look on a bird's eye view on a weekly chart. We can see over here we're in an uptrade, and the market trying to basically find himself a new area to trade, which is comfortable for him. We're gonna go to the daily chart just to see a little bit more clearly where is a possible entry point if you're a swing trader. If we go down to we're gonna also go down to the 15 minutes interval to check where the possible entry points. So as we see over here, we mark a supply, major supply area on the top, major demand area on the bottom. Going to the 4-hour graph, 4-hour interval, we can see how the price behaves when you're reaching those areas. Created over here supply area, drop into the major demand area in reverse 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we haven't as we said, when you get into the pull area of a major demand, we're basically gonna a long position. When you get to a supply, we're gonna short it, and we see perfectly how it works accordingly to the supply and demand areas over here. Now within the day, we can see in the 4-hour graph right here, 4-hour interval, that over here was created a new area where the buyers and sellers try to overcome one each other. And we can see over here, I pre-marked over here a minor demand area. We can see which is the price is responding. Every time it hits it, it reversing, as well as over here the major supply area, it reverse. So with the 15 minutes interval, we want to see how we can trade this. So obviously when you reach in a supply area, especially when it's a major area, we're never gonna long it. We always want to see that the price react to the supply area by seeing basically those following candles. We're gonna see either a doji candle or a hammer, and we want to see the next candle breaks up the top of the doji or the hammer. We can see over here how is it being applied. We have a hammer candle over here, and slowly down is going down again and again. Within the 15 minutes interval, we already see that within the supply area, with the demand area we marked over here, it already broke it. We want to look on the market profile for a second to get a better understanding of how the price can react. So we see the night profile, we see the day profile, we already see a deep dive within the Bitcoin. We have an area, basically it's broke this minor demand area. Now it's trying to achieve down. Yeah, they're gonna test this belly right here, which is very hard to trade, not a very comfortable position to trade, but we don't want to go against the trend. If it's gonna go down, we're gonna try to short it. Right now we don't have a position to short it, so we're not gonna do it. The other possibility to take a trade is going over here to the demand area and to long it, which is the safest way. So if I want to long it, I'm just gonna have to wait for it to come over here and then long it all the way up if I'm a swing trader, and basically put the stop loss right here. So we can see that the ratio is pretty much healthy. If we're gonna go all the way over here as well, we have almost $11,000, and we're risking 3,500. Again, every trader with is risk management. All in all, it's a very healthy trade. Wish you guys happy trading, successful one. I hope it was very educational for you. If it does, please subscribe to this channel, join our Discord, and we'll see you on our courses if you guys chose it.